Hello, friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to redeem a Kindle gift card. So, let's get started. At first, let's open any browser and search for Kindle gift card. Here, we can find Kindle gift cards on Amazon.com. Let's go into it. In the gift cards section, we can see Kindle gift cards. You can choose any of the cards. Let's go for Kindle. Now, you can choose your card design and select any of them. Choose the amount and enter the delivery details. Enter the delivery date. When all of this is completed, click on Buy Now. We need to choose the payment method. You can use your credit or debit card or other methods like Amazon.com gift card or bank account. After you are done choosing the payment method, click on Use this payment method. And the gift card will be redeemed. So, this is it. This is how we can redeem a Kindle gift card. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.